Yeah, welcome to 6153 224th Street in the Cloverdale Gardens apartment complex. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath co-op. We're entering, which could be the dining room, but you have French doors. Let me open this up a little bit. So this would be easy to make into a 3rd bedroom. All you have to do is put some sheetrock and close this entrance to the kitchen, but it does have its own closet. So this is the 1st bedroom off the kitchen right now. Could be the dining room or the 3rd bedroom. You have a washer dryer, stackable, dishwasher, a lot of wood cabinets, stove, refrigerator, more cabinets. So this is a galley kitchen. Very attractive. That's the entranceway to the outside. This is a very nice size living room. You have an air conditioner in the wall. So this Clover Gardens complex, the maintenance is very low here. So this is a 3-bedroom. The maintenance is approximately a $913. So this you're gonna love this bathroom, oversized bathroom. Look at the size of that sink and cabinets. And you have a shower tub over here in nice condition. So this is an oversized bathroom. You don't normally see this in these co-ops. This is the 2nd bedroom. Walk around a little bit here. The 2nd bedroom is a double window, closet. You know, the French door that you can close off the living room, so if children could be sleeping and you have a French door to close off the living room. This is the master bedroom. 2 windows, air conditioner wall. But I think this is really cool. You have a lighted double closet, and you have a light here. A lot of shelf space. So here again is a 3-bedroom or 2-bedroom and dining room in Cloverdale Gardens. Asking price is $350, but the maintenance is only $913, or just in that nature. So very, very inexpensive maintenance. Walking distance to express local bus, shopping, the park, 3 express buses into the city, and 2 local buses. So give me a call. I'd love to show you this co-op apartment at 6153A 224th Street in the Oakland Gardens section of Bayside. Have a great day. Take care.